The Earth is a fascinating planet. Millions of years ago, dinosaurs were roaming around. Thousands of years ago, ancient Egyptians built magnificent pyramids standing till this very day. We know that happened because of interesting people like paleontologists and archaeologists. They piece up the past by studying fossil remains and historic artifacts. But there are still so many unknown secrets concealed by time. Thanks to the advancement of technology, geneticists are looking to study evolution with viral fossils, the retroviruses. It all started with the Human Genome Project. This project was a massive scientific breakthrough as scientists finally managed to sequence the whole human genome. A striking discovery found that 8% of our genome is derived from this very virus, the retroviruses. So, well, we generally know that viruses are tiny intracellular parasitic particles that attack and infect their hosts. But now, what we once thought to be foreign enemies actually makes up a part of us. Viruses are us. But what are retroviruses? Retrovirus is a type of RNA virus. When retrovirus infects a host cell, the viral RNA is converted into DNA by reverse transcriptase. Then it is integrated into the host cell DNA. Reverse transcriptase is an enzyme that is unique because it reverses the flow of genetic information. Hence, as its given name, it counters the central dogma. Now we know that retroviruses are a part of us. How did they get into our genomes in the first place? It is believed that hundreds of millions years ago, retroviruses entered our ancestors by viral infection. These retroviruses integrate into host germline cells and are inherited by preceding generations. After passing down to many generations, they mutate and become inactive fossils within genes, which reveal the virus host interactions on evolutionary timescales. Since retroviruses infect a broad range of vertebrate hosts, their prevalence makes them an important tool for geneticists to study evolution of life. By studying the viral sequences in the genomes of different species, scientists can trace the evolutionary history of the virus and how it has spread among different species. These virus sequences carry information on how closely related different species are and when they diverge from a common ancestor. This is especially useful in cases where the fossil record is incomplete or the evolutionary relationships are not clear. The conservation of these viral genomes also suggests that they may have been selected for beneficial properties over evolutionary time. For example, the human retroviral protein is found to promote cell fusion. This allows the development of the placenta, preventing mothers from immune rejection of their own developing embryos. Otherwise, we might reproduce like birds, we lay eggs. Moving forward, the framework of retrovirus studies is still at a growing phase. In the quest to explore the origin of life, retroviruses are definitely the key to unearth more exciting mysteries. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I also like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to my lecturer, Dr. Jasmine, and fellow friends that guided me to complete this assignment. Thank you very much.